guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. I'm Blizzyivy, and if you are a returning subscriber, of course you are definitely welcome. So today's video, I'm not doing makeup, so I'm just doing unboxing and review some lashes I got from Amazon. So these are the packing from Amazon. It's well packaged. So I ordered these lashes and it will deliver less than a week. So these are the lashes, and there are 3 in it. Here. So these are the lashes. This is the number 1 lashes, 2 and 3. So there are 3 in 1, and these lashes, they have different sizes and style. Is it style? Different sizes and style. Yep, style. So you can see this one here. This one is of different styles. Okay, you can see this one here. This one is a bit smaller than this one, and you can see the design. So, and this size 5 here, they have the same sizes and with different styles. Can you see that? See this one, different styles. You can see this one is different from this one, and this one is different from this one. So, and let me open the side. So these are the inside looks like without the cover. So these are the inside of the lashes looks like. You can see how beautiful they are, and they are very soft. They are very soft. Wow. So you can see. Let me put it close. So this is the other one. This is the other one, and this one is 5 also, and it's the same design and the same size. And this one size is size 47. This size 47, and of the same sizes. You can see they are the same and without the cover. So this is how it looks like without the cover. Like, guys, these lashes are so amazing. Like, they look natural and good lashes. Like, they are okay. And this is the other one. This is the other one also. It's the same size, 5. So this is 5 in 1. You can see, very beautiful. Like, wow. So among the 3 lashes, this one is my favorite. I choose this one as my favorite. As you can see, they are of different design, and this one is the shortest. And in all the lashes, this is 15 in 1, and all of them, I bought them €9.99 on Amazon. So they are so affordable. So I went to the supermarket. I wanted to buy lashes, and lashes, just one is €10. Like, I wanted to buy it, but the lash is very long. So seeing these lashes or finding these lashes online is very amazing. There's one of my video I did when I used JKC lashes in one of my videos. That lashes is also good, but this one is more affordable. So these are affordable lashes on Amazon, and it's very beautiful, very affordable, and quick delivery. So if you are a lady and you like putting on lashes, you are a fan of lashes, like, because I know there are some ladies that they can't do without lashes. Even though they are not going anywhere, they will like putting on lashes. Ladies, you like putting on lashes, I will advise you get this one, because this one, the advantage of this one, there are different sizes, different design, 15 in 1. Is it? You can see there are 15, and lashes, you can reuse them. After you have used them for some time, you can clean them and reuse them again. If you want me to do a video on how to clean your lashes, you can leave a comment on the comment section, then I will do a video about it. That the lashes I want to talk about. Hope you like them. So I will leave a link on the description box that will direct you to Amazon. In case if you need it, just click on the link. Film will direct you to Amazon and get some lashes for yourself. So this is all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.